This is JD with you, the founder and sales coach of Sales 5X, and let us welcome Mr. Anirudh. He is an entrepreneur and he is a project partner for Philips Lighting for all over Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. He specializes exclusively for projects in commercial, industrial, and government sectors. A very warm welcome to you, Anirudh.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So let me begin with asking you, Anirudh, what made you decide to sign up for the STAR program?
The main reason was, see, I am a 3-year-old. My organization is a 3-year-old, just saying.
Okay.
So there was a small gap between me and the customer
Okay.
where I was doing the right pitch in the wrong way
Okay.
and all this. There was a lot of confusion while mapping the customer or while dealing with a particular project.
Okay.
So we had, I didn't know that because when I joined, when you were discussing me initially, when we were having the discussion webinar,
Correct.
got to know some important points, key points, and I thought, okay, this will be very much useful for me to go ahead. That day, it was instant decision. See, 28,000, it is a big amount, but as you saw, I made my money back. I
Correct.
got my money back.
Correct. Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay. Let's now deal into this, the important thing. Let's talk about actual numbers. How many deals have you closed because of STAR and at what price point? Tell me that. I'm excited to learn and know about it.
Yeah, see, generally, I actually closed three critical deals.
Okay.
One in lighting where I was actually it was getting delayed almost for 2 months.
Okay.
So that was with this Tech Mahindra company.
Okay.
So we were almost, they were actually, they just, I don't know, they kept on delaying it. And then when I joined it, I think after the third week, I started talking to them in a different manner.
Okay.
So I took their objections in a proper way,
Okay.
dealt with it, and we closed it. We have taken the order.
Very nice. Very nice. What was the price point? What would the
It was 11 lakh order, sir.
11 lakh order? So it was getting delayed for last 2 months. So they were not giving you clarity?
Yes, there was because of this lockdown, they had some issues, the price issue, and the same thing, they had some lockdown and everything.
Okay, okay. So tell me, I am interested to know after enrolling and signing up for the STAR program, and you are in between the process, right? The 6-week training program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how did you approach them, or how did you strategize to, close this deal, Anirudh?
So see, when I think till third week, when we had the session about the sales pitch.
Okay.
So then that is the time when we had this particular process, the flow chart.
Okay.
So then I started going through it. Then I thought, okay, chalo, we'll just try to again go from the basic and we'll try to start. Map them.
Okay. Okay.
One point I started understanding that the main objection was they never dealt with me till now.
Okay.
So that is their objection.
Mm-hmm.
Price also not one objection. They have not dealt with me till now, so they were actually hesitating for it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So because they have already experienced vendors for them, and all of a sudden they are coming for a new vendor.
Correct.
So that is when I tried to, I took from their response, I could understand it. Then I started giving them a confidence about how we with them, how is the process of sales, what we do, and what all customers we handle. That is became comfortable and we closed it.
Okay, that was a deal clincher for you, Anirudh.
Yeah.
Many congratulations. I want you to, we at Sales 5 dream that in your success is our success. We want to see you growing higher and higher in sales and numbers. My dear friend Anirudh. Okay. So tell me, Anirudh, what changed for you in STAR? What were you doing earlier and what did you change after, signing up for STAR program? How was it different?
I was actually going. We were not vague. I can't tell you that we are vague, but my team. What I was pushing my team or me, we had some specific targets, but we were wasting on some unnecessary some customers whom we thought they are very serious.
Okay, okay, okay,
but they're actually not.
okay, okay. Difficulty in understanding the real versus fake buyer.
Yes, yes. The
Okay,
serious customer and a general. I mean, we used to rush even for a normal general inquiry. Also, we used to go back behind them.
okay,
So therein we couldn't differentiate. We were not differentiating between who's serious and who's not.
okay,
Then
okay,
when I got into this start, then I started asking questions. We never ask questions to the
okay,
customer.
okay, okay,
So
okay,
we just used to take and we used to work on the prospect. But
okay.
then I started asking some serious questions. We used to ask questions, but
Mhm.
when after assigning this, I started asking some serious questions. What
Oh,
about the budget and this thing? I started analyzing them clearly.
okay, okay, okay. So that gave you an edge now. That gave you a complete awareness of where the customer is in his mind.
Yeah, we stopped wasting our time, right?
Very good, very good. And time is money, you know that, right, Anirudh?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay. Okay, tell me, do you think that our format of role play helped you?
Yes, yes, yes.
So, what is your thoughts on that?
I started, I mean, see, this role play, it
Hmm,
actually helped me because we had, I mean, I had with around three people.
hmm,
So everybody had no knowledge about what field I am.
correct.
So then I started understanding. So how a layman in our field, how will a layman
Hmm,
will have to pitch it to a layman.
correct,
So what exactly will someone who doesn't know anything about lighting, what is a square is?
correct.
So I started to understand it when I started talking to them. So
Brilliant, Anirudh.
they gave me their feedbacks that Anirudh, you've been pitching me this way, but exactly I don't know what you about anything about lighting. I think you should do it in this way.
Okay, okay,
So that is when I started. Okay, chalo, this is actually go like this.
okay, okay. So, the participants coming from different diverse industries and products actually helped you understand. It gave
Yes,
you a
yes,
perspective.
yes, yes.
Excellent. That is the difference. You say that the STAR program made you. The environment and the participants all make a big difference in a person's, the way he think,
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
the way he influences his customer makes a lot of difference. That's great.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this actually has given a very. I mean, I get a confidence when I talk, when I get their feedbacks and everything.
Mm.
Then again, I pitch it to when I get a normal general in my day to day. When I get a customer, then I started. Okay, chalo, I'll have to talk it in this way. I'll have to talk
Correct.
to this process.
Excellent. Excellent. We at Sales 5X are super proud about you, Anirudh, and your
Thank you.
achievements. Closing a deal of 11 lakh is not a walk in the park, and you have done it, single-handedly. That shows your interest. That shows your dedication, your determination. You wanted to learn sales. You wanted to upgrade your skills. You wanted to upgrade your knowledge. You did not mind even think about investing such. It's a high ticket sales. I mean, 28,000 you paid, and you took that decision, and we are very happy that you have closed the deal. Now tell me, Anirudh, has Star helped you a sales process or a sales system for you in your
Yeah,
company?
yeah, it has helped me a lot.
Okay, okay, okay. So you know the process now. You know that how to handle a team, whether it's 3 people, 13 people, 40 people. You know what is the system, how the system has to move. Correct?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, you are totally confident about it.
Yes, yes. I mean, I mean, there's a lot of confidence which is built
Mm.
for the last 6 weeks.
Mm, 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 mm.
Because I'm actually enjoying the way the process being set up. We are enjoying it.
You're enjoying it. That's
Yeah,
brilliant.
yeah, I'm enjoying it.
That's brilliant. That's brilliant. And I'm really very happy to know that you being an entrepreneur, you're actually focusing on sales because sales is the oxygen for any business.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. And that I think your that focus will bring in it'll rake in lot of revenues. And when revenues come in, then everything can be sorted out.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Very true.
that is the thing.
I was actually giving a case study to Anmol sir also.
Ah,
The deal didn't happen,
mm,
but the customer was actually he wanted me to associate with them, partner with them for a bigger this thing. They
okay,
wanted me to handle their supply part for all the raw materials. I mean,
okay,
that is the first time when we were talking about the hookup part and everything.
correct.
So then that is the time when I actually followed the flow chart for the first time.
Okay, the perfect sales pitch flow chart, right?
Yeah, the customer was not actually serious that day.
Okay.
Even I got to know.
Okay.
I was free that time, so we just started extending the discussion there.
Okay.
So that is when I started. Okay, I started taking what are exactly his queries when he's talking about lighting part.
In a face-to-face conversation, Anirudh?
No, it was through phone, sir.
Okay. Okay. Phone calling. All right.
Yeah. So then I took exactly all his queries. Now that fellow is very happy with me. He wants me to associate for a bigger part, not just
Oh,
lighting.
okay. Okay. That's brilliant to know that.
Yeah.
Very nice to know that. Okay. Tell me, Anirudh, if an entrepreneur wants to increase their sales, why should they attend STAR according to you? STAR program.
First of all, it at least gives you see the clarity what we have till we get into some training kind these kind of things. It is different.
Hmm.
So we would be, I mean, we would be right in some points, but
Hmm.
we would be missing some critical issues
Hmm.
that would be addressed only when we get into this sales training.
Okay. Okay.
So something like, see, if you take me as an example, I missed this mapping, who understanding who's a serious customer, who's a normal customer.
Correct.
Because being a startup and being very less in this thing, we started going very new to this. We have started addressing everybody with the same this thing.
Superb.
Yes. Then once then I actually came to know that see, not every customer is a everybody is a prospect, but we'll have to concentrate only at some people who are very serious.
Correct.
So we could able to understand. Okay, this we were wrong in some parts.
Correct. 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 So, would you recommend another entrepreneur or anyone you know to enroll or sign up for a STAR program because it is live, because it is interactive, because it is full of role plays, action oriented? What do you think, Anirudh?
I would definitely recommend, sir. I already recommended to my friend.
Okay.
So he's out of station. He told he once he's free, I mean, once he's set up with all these things,
All
he
right.
told he will also attend this.
Okay. Okay. He also wants to attend that.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, Anirudh, what is your turnover, annual turnover of your business?
Mine is around 3 crores.
3 crores. So let's
From
say
my
that,
lighting,
yeah,
we have
only like,
another division also.
okay, very nice. Everything
But
handled by you only, Anirudh?
that will be handled by my father.
Okay, okay,
So this is handled by me. I also handle even that also I handle.
okay, okay.
So that both combined we do around 6 to 7 crores. Sir.
Excellent. So what is the, you can say, goal for this year or next year? Something going on in your mind? I know that these are challenging and difficult times, but still.
Yeah, this is a very challenging time, but I am very serious about not dropping because a lot of our industry when we take lighting, it is actually I mean already everybody is having a drop in their turnover.
Correct, correct.
Want to maintain in the same way. I mean, if
Hmm.
it is not, I mean, the same way. Last year we had around 2.8. So I
Mhm.
just want to maintain the same 2.8 this year also. We are
Very
working towards it. I hopefully will achieve it.
excellent. I wish you well. Sales 5X wishes you well.
Yes,
You have
sir.
been one of our, proud, esteemed, valuable, precious customer, Anirudh.
Yeah,
And not only now, even beyond this, we want to have a long-term association with you. Anytime, any challenges, anything faced, money and all is secondary. That is all secondary. But our relationship, our support with you and your company, your team will always be there unconditional.
definitely, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Have
sir.
have a great, success journey in your business. Not only in business, let there be light, let there be happiness, let there be prosperity, and all the great things coming to you and your family and your business. Thank you so much, Anirudh. Have a great evening. Thank you. Bye bye.